Hello, my name is Matt Guy from Geomatrix Earth Science, and today we're just going to look at a little bit of connecting electrodes to a ERT resistivity system. We are predominantly looking at the connection between the electrodes and the ground and ensuring that we get a good coupling. Now, we haven't connected this, the instrument to the spread yet. We're just looking at the initial layout. So we get a number of different connection types, including this typical method where we just use a single clip lead to connect the takeout to the electrode. Now, in most cases, connecting the electrode to the cable in the fashion that we see here is adequate. But in some cases, when the ground is wet and there's particularly long grass, then what we can actually get is a current injection away from the electrode. So we could get a connection between the ground and the contact at this point rather than at our electrode, because the current is going to take the easiest route into the ground. We can improve on our connection technique by simply using the connector to make as much contact to the electrode as possible. So in this case, we've lifted the takeout up using the connector, and you can see that we've got a nice solid contact between the connector and the electrode. Now, in some cases, you may have a slightly different connector, like the ones we see here. These have got teeth on it and are slightly larger. And in this case, we can get a much better connection if we use the connector to actually hold the contact to the top of the electrode. Alternatively, we can use two connectors and try and improve the amount of contact that we get between the takeout and the electrode by adding more surface area to that contact. If for whatever reason your clip leads become damaged, or you simply just don't have enough of them, then it is possible to use an elastic band as a backup method. So all we do with this is we can double it over and hold the contact to the electrode. So that's three simple methods of connecting the takeout to the electrode to optimize the injection of the current into the ground.